Hello students, let's do fractions exercise 3E. This is on page number 58. Question 1. A line AB is of length 6 centimeters. Another line CD is of length 15 centimeters. What fraction is the length of AB to that of CD? So we have to put it in the form of a fraction. The length of AB is given to us as 6 centimeters and the length of CD is given to us as 15 centimeters. Now we have to put that as a fraction. So length of AB is 6 centimeters. Length of CD is 15 centimeters. Now we have to find the length of AB to that of CD. So let's substitute. The length of AB is given to us as 6 centimeters and the length of CD is given to us as 15 centimeters, isn't it? Now if we put this as a fraction, what do we get? 6 we have to write first, 6 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Now we have to reduce this to the lowest term by dividing 6 and 15 by a common factor. And the common factor here is 3. So now 3 into 2 is 6, isn't it? So we write 2 in the denominator, we remove the centimeters. Now 3 into 5 is 15. So we have got our answer. The fraction form of the length of AB to that of CD is 2 by 5. Question 2. Half the length of AB to that of 1/3 of CD. So length of AB is already given to us, it's 6 centimeters. And length of CD is also given to us, it's 15 centimeters. Now we have to find half the length of AB. So half the length of AB will be half or 1 by 2 of the length of AB. Of means into, and AB is 6 centimeters. So here let's find 1 by 2 into 6. So this is 1. So we can cancel 2 and 6. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now let's multiply the numerators. 1 into 3 is 3 and in the denominator we have 1 into 1 which is 1. 3 by 1 centimeters which is 3 centimeters. Okay, so half the length of AB. Half the length of AB is 3 centimeters because length of AB is 6, so half of that is 3 and we worked it out and we found out. Now we have to find 1/3 the length of CD. So 1/3 of CD will be 1 by 3 of means into how much is CD? 15 centimeters. So now here also let's take this as multiplication of fractions and cancel what we can. We can cancel 3 and 15. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So now let's multiply the numerators. 1 into 5 is 5 and in the denominator we have 1 into 1 that is 1. So 5 by 1 centimeters which is 5 centimeters. So now we have found 1/3 of CD that is 5 centimeters. We have found half the length of AB and we have found 1/3 of CD. So now half the length of AB to that of 1/3 of CD is what? So half the length of AB is 3 centimeter and to that means to that is to ratio 5 centimeters. Now we have to write this in the form of a fraction. Because that was the main question, isn't it? What is a fraction? So let's write this 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Now this is in the fraction form. Now we can remove centimeters. So now what do we have? 3 by 5. So this is our answer to the question. Half the length of AB to that of 1/3 of CD is 3 by 5. Question 3. Here we have to find the fraction of 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. So what is given to us? Length of AB is given to us 6 centimeters. Length of CD is given to us 15 centimeters. Now we have to find 1/5 the length of CD. So let's do that. So that will be 1 by 5 of CD. And how much is CD? CD is 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeters. 1/5 of 15 means 1 by 5 into 15. So this is 15 by 1. Now let's cancel 5 and 15. 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Now we can multiply the numerators. 1 into 3 is 3, and in the denominator we have 1 into 1, that is 1. This is 3 by 1 centimeters, or simply 3 centimeters. So what have we found? We have found 1/5 the length of CD, that is 3 centimeters. Now we have been asked to find the fraction of 1/5 of CD to that of AB, and AB is already 6 centimeters. So 1/5 the length of CD to that of AB will be, now 3 centimeters is to AB is how much? 6 centimeters. Now let's put this in the form of a fraction because we are asked to do that in the question. So this is 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. We can cancel centimeters. Now divide 3 and 6 by a common factor to reduce it to the lowest term. And the common factor is 3 in both the cases, isn't it? 3 can divide both the numerator and denominator. Now 3 into what is 3? 3 ones are 3, and the next one 3 twos are 6. So what is our fraction here? 1 by 2. And this is a fraction of 1/5 of CD to that of AB. Question 2. Subtract this whole thing within brackets from the sum of 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and 7 by 12. That means first we need to add up this and subtract this from the sum of this. Now you can do it separately. You can work this out separately and this separately, or we can put it all together this way. So we can do it like this. We can say 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 plus 7 by 12. Okay, so here we have to add up all these and subtract the other one, that is 2 by 7 minus 5 by 21. So we can put it this way also. So here anyway we have to work out what is within brackets. So we have to work out this addition sum and then we have to work out the subtraction here and subtract the two answers. So first let's begin with 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 plus 7 by 12. So let's do it here. So we have 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 plus 7 by 12. As you can see, they're all unlike fractions because the denominators are all different. So let's find the LCM first of the denominators. 4, 7 and 12. So now here, let's begin with 2. 2 2s are 4, bring down 7. 2 6s are 12. Now continue again with 2. 2 1s are 2, 7 and 2 3s are 6. Now we can use 3. 1, 7 and 3 1s are 3. Now continue with 7. 1, 1 and 1. Okay. So what is our LCM? Our LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 into 7. 12 7s are 84. So our LCM is 84. So let's use 84 as a common denominator here and work out our addition sum. So go to the first fraction, denominator is 4. 4 into what is 84? Now how do you find that? To find out what number that you multiply with 4 will give you 84, you have to just divide 84 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. That means 4 into 21 will give us 84. So let's write 21 here. So 4 into 21. So multiply 3 also by 21. So let's do that multiplication. 21 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this is 63. Our first numerator here is 63. Now let's go to the second fraction. Okay, so here the denominator is 7. 7 into what is 84? 12. So multiply 5 also by 12. 12 5s are 60. So let's write 60 here. Plus, let's go to the third fraction. Denominator is 12. 12 into what is 84? 12 into 7. So multiply 7 also by 7. 7 7s are 49. So now we have to add up 63, 60 and 49. So let's add up all these. Now 3 plus 9 is 12, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So we've got 172. So this is 172 by 84. So let's write that here. 172 by 84. Now we need to subtract this from it, isn't it? So now let's work out 2 by 7 minus 5 by 21. So here also, since the denominators are different, we must find the LCM of 7 and 21. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Now I can use 3, 1 and 1. So the LCM here is 7 into 3, which is 7 threes are 21. So let's use 21 here. 7 threes are 21, so multiply 2 also by 3. We get 2 threes are 6 minus the next fraction denominator is 21. 21 into 1, so 5 into 1 is 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So here we have 1 by 21. So let's write that down here, 1 by 21. So here we are going to subtract 172 by 84 minus 1 by 21. Let's find the LCM of the denominators 84 and 21. So we can start with 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 42. And then here we have 21. Then continue with 2 again. 2 into 21 is 42. So here also we have 21. So now I can use 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. We can use 7 now, 1 and 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. 12 into 7 is 84. So the LCM here is 84. So here we have the denominator as 84 for the first fraction. So 84 into 1, therefore 172 also will be multiplied by 1. 172 minus the next denominator is 21. 21 into 4 is 84. So multiply 1 also by 4. 1 fours are 4. So now we have to minus 172 minus 4. Let's do that. 172 minus 4. So here we borrow. So this is 6 and 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And I have 6 and 1. So this is 168 by 84. So if you divide 168 by 84, you get 2 because 84 into 2 is 168. So our answer here is 2. Question 3. From a sack of potatoes weighing 120 kgs, a merchant sells portions weighing 6 kg, 5 1 by 4 kg, 9 1 by 2 kg and 9 3 by 4 kg respectively. Now how many kilograms did he sell? So totally he had a sack of potatoes weighing so much and then he started selling it in portions. The portions were all these that you can see. Okay, so now totally we need to find how many kilograms did he sell. Okay, let's begin. Now weight of the potatoes is 120 kilograms and the weight of potatoes sold by the merchant. Now let's see. So let's add up 6 kilogram plus 5 1 by 4 kilogram plus 9 1 by 2, 9 1 by 2 kilogram and 9 3 by 4 kilograms. So we need to add up all these. So first step, now let's get them all together, convert them. So this will be 6 plus, now convert 5 1 by 4, which is a mixed number, into an improper fraction. So that will be 4 into 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So this is 21 by 4 plus, let's go to the next one and convert it. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 is 19. So that is 19 by 2 plus, last one let's convert. 4 nines are 36 plus 3 is 39. So that is 39 by 4. Okay, so now we need to add up all these. The first one is a whole number. Let's give it the denominator 1. And now we have to find the LCM of these numbers. And what are the denominators? 1, 4, 2 and 4. So we're going to find the LCM of only 4 and 2. And we don't have to repeat 4 because once if you write it, it's enough. So now let's start with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now continue with 2 again, 1 and 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So the LCM is 4 and we're going to use this as the common denominator. So 4 is a common denominator. Let's take the first fraction 6 by 1. Denominator is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. So multiply 6 also by 4. 6 4s are 24. Plus, let's go to the next one. 4, denominator is 4. 4 1s are 4. So multiply 21 also by 1. So 21 1s are 21. Plus, next denominator is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 19 into 2. 19 2s are 38. Plus, let's go to the last one. 4 is the denominator. 4 1s are 4. So 39 into 1 is 39. So now we have all our numerators. Let's add up all the numerators now and see what we get. So let's add up 24 plus 21 plus 38 plus 39. Let's add up all these. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. Carry 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 122. So that is equal to 122 by 4. Now 122 by 4 is an improper fraction, so we can convert it to a mixed number. How do we do that? By dividing 122 by 4. Now 12, let's take 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 0, bring down 2. So now here 2 is smaller than 4, isn't it? So we put a 0 on top and a 0 down. So this is 2 minus 0 is 2. So what is the mixed number here we have? 32 by 4. So let's write that 32 by 4. But as you can see, the fraction 2 by 4 can be reduced to the lowest term. Now how do we do that? We divide only 2 and 4 by a common factor, and the common factor here is 2. Okay, so 30 will remain the same. The whole number will remain the same, but we'll reduce only the fraction. 2 into what is 2? 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what do we have here? 31 by 2. So how many kilograms of potatoes were sold? 30 kilograms. 31 by 2 kilograms of potatoes was sold. Okay, so this is the answer to the first question. How many kilograms did he sell? The second part of the question, how many kilograms are still left in the sack? For that, we should write statements like this. Weight of potatoes is 120 kilograms. This was already there in the beginning, isn't it? 120 kilograms of potatoes. In that, weight of potatoes sold by the merchant, we just found out how much he sold. He sold 31 by 2 kilograms. Now, we have been asked to find the potatoes still left in the sack. The weight of potatoes still left in the sack. For that, we have to subtract these two. That is, we have to subtract 120 kilograms and 31 by 2 kilograms. When we subtract these two, we will know how much of potatoes was still left in the sack. So here, let's do the subtraction. 120 minus, let's convert this. 2 into 30 is 60, plus 1 is 61. So this is 61 by 2. Now here let's give it the denominator 1. Now here the LCM will be 2 because the denominators are 1 and 2. So the first denominator is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Multiply 120 into 2. 120 into 2, like 12 into 2 is 24, isn't it? So 120 into 2 will be 240. Minus the next fraction denominator is 2. 2 1s are 2, so we multiply 61 by 2. So this is 61. So now we have to subtract 240 minus 61. So let's try that. 240 minus 61. So here we have to borrow from 4, so that becomes 3 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 3 minus 6, again we have to borrow, so this is 1 and 13. 13 minus 6 is 7 and we have 1. So here what do we have? 179 by 2. 179 by 2 is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So 179 divided by 2. Let's take 17. 2 8s are 16 minus 1, bring down 9. 2 9s are 18 minus 1. So what is our mixed number here? 89 1 by 2. So the potatoes still left in the sack will be 89 1 by 2 kilograms. So 89 1 by 2 kilograms of potatoes are still left in the sack. Question 4. If a boy works for 6 consecutive days for 8 hours, 7 1 by 2 hours, 8 1 by 4 hours, 6 1 by 4 hours, 6 3 by 4 hours and 7 hours respectively. That means 6 consecutive days is one after the other and each of these is for the first day, the second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day and the sixth day. He worked for 6 days, isn't it? Now, how much money will he earn at the rate of 36 rupees per hour? So, for 1 hour, if he is going to get 36 rupees, how much money did he earn totally? So, let's begin. Number of hours a boy worked for 6 consecutive days. That means we need to add up all the hours given to us. So, 8 hours plus 7 1 by 2 plus 8 1 by 4 plus 6 1 by 4 plus 6 3 by 4 plus 7. So we have to add up all these. So let's begin by adding up all that. So that is 8 plus, now let's convert, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is 15 by 2 plus, convert the next one, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33. So that is 33 by 4 plus, next one, 4 6s are 24 plus 1 25. So 25 by 4 plus, next one is 4 6s are 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 by 4 plus 7. So we'll make it 7 by 1 and the first number 8 by 1. Now look at all the denominators 1, 2, 4, 4, 4 and 1. Since the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM of the denominators to make it equal. So what are the numbers that we are going to find the LCM of? 2 and 4. Only 2 and 4 because 4 is repeated and then we have 1. So let's do for 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Continue with 2 again. 1 and 2 1s are 2. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So we're going to use 4 as a common denominator now. So let's do that. So LCM is 4 and we're going to use that as the common denominator. So 4, take the first fraction 8 by 1. 1 into 4 is 4. So we multiply 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32 plus, let's go to the next one. 2 into what is 4? 2 2s are 4. So multiply 15 also by 2. 15 2s are 30 plus, let's go to the next one. 4 into 1 is 4. So 33 into 1 is 33 plus, next one is 4 again. So 4 into 1. So 25 into 1 is 25 plus the next one. Again it's 4. So 4 ones. So 27 into 1 is 27. And the last one is 1. The denominator is 1. So 1 into 4. So 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. So now we've got all our numerators and the denominator is 4. So now let's add up all our numerators now. So that is 32 plus 30 plus 33 plus 25 plus 27 plus 28. Let's add this up. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 8 is 25. So put 5 and carry 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 175. So let's write it down here. So this becomes 175 by 4. Now this is again an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So let's divide 175 by 4. Let's take 17. 4 fours are 16 minus 7 minus 6 is 1 and we bring down 5. 15. 4 threes are 12 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. 0. So what is our mixed number? 43, 3 by 4. So what is our answer here? 43, 3 by 4. That is 43 3 by 4 hours is the number of hours the boy worked for 6 consecutive days. So let's write that. Now amount he earned per hour is 36 rupees. Okay, this is given to us in the question itself. So we have to find out how much he earned for those 6 days. So that means amount he earned in how many hours? 43 3 by 4 hours. So for working purposes, we're going to write 175 by 4 hours. So in 1 hour, he earned 36 rupees. So in 175 by 4 hours, it will be 36 into 175 by 4. Okay, so let's give this the denominator 1. So now this has become multiplication of fractions. So here we can cancel something. What is it that we can cancel? 4 and 36. 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. So now we have to multiply 175 into 9 and see what we get. Let's multiply it here. 175 into 9. 9 fives are 45, carry 4. 9 sevens are 63 plus 4, 67, carry 6. 9 ones are 9 plus 6 is 15. So he earned rupees 1,575. 1,575 rupees is the amount he earned in those 6 days. Question 5. A student bought 4 1 by 3 meters of yellow ribbon, 6 1 by 6 meters of red ribbon and 3 2 by 9 meters of blue ribbon to decorate a room. How many meters of ribbon did he buy on the whole? Let's begin our statements. So length of the yellow ribbon. What's the length of the yellow ribbon? 4 1 by 3 meters. Then the length of the red ribbon is 6 1 by 6 meters. And the length of the blue ribbon is 3 2 by 9 meters. Now we have to find out totally how much he bought. So the total length will be, we have to add up and we can find. So that is 4 1 by 3 meters plus 6 1 by 6 meters plus 3 2 by 9 meters. So first step is let's convert them all to mixed numbers. So 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is 13. So this will be 13 by 3 plus, let's convert the next one. 6 sixes are 36 plus 1 is 37. So that is 37 by 6 plus, let's go to the next one. 9 threes are 27 plus 2 is 29. So that is 29 by 9. So now to add these up, as you can see, the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. So let's do that. LCM of 3, 6, 9. You can divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Continue with 3 again. 1, bring down 2, 3 ones are 3. Now we can use 2, 1, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18. So the LCM is 18. Now let's use LCM 18 as a common denominator here. Okay, the first fraction denominator is 3. 3 into 6 is 18. So let's multiply 13 into 6. So 13 into 6. 6 threes are 18, carry 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. So that is 78. And let's go to the next one. So here 6 is the denominator, 6 threes are 18. So multiply 37 by 3. So 37 into 3. 3 sevens are 21, carry 2. 3 threes are 9, 10, 11, 111 plus the last fraction denominator is 9. 9 twos are 18, so 29 into 2. 29 into 2 is 58. So now we have all our numerators and our denominator is 18. So let's add up the numerators. 78 plus 111 plus 58. So let's add up all these. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 247 and the denominator is 18. So again 247 is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So that will be 247 divided by 18. Let's take 24. 18 ones are 18 minus, now here let's borrow 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 and we bring down 7, it's 67. So 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is 54 minus 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is our mixed number here? 13. 13 by 18. So we get this and that's our answer here. 13. 13 by 18 and this is meters. This is the total length of the ribbon that he bought. So he bought 13 by 18 meters of ribbon. So this is our final answer. Question 6. In a business, Ram and Deepak invest 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 of the total investment. Okay, so Ram invested 3 by 5 and Deepak invested 2 by 5 of the total investment. And what is that total investment? 40,000 rupees. If 40,000 rupees is the total investment, calculate the amount invested by each. So we only have the fraction, we have to get the amount in rupees now. Let's begin. Total investment in a business is 40,000 rupees. This is the total investment and each of them contributed towards this. What is their share is what we're going to find out. So amount Ram invested 3/5 or 3 by 5 of 40,000. That means 3/5 of means into 40,000. So here let's calculate. So this will be 40,000 by 1. Now we can cancel 5 and 40,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40 and then we can add these 3 zeros. So 5 into 8,000 will be 40,000. Now we have to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So when you multiply the numerators, 8 into 3. Here it is 8,000 into 3. So first multiply 8 into 3. 8 threes are 24 and then add the 3 zeros 1, 2, 3 and the denominator is 1. So this will simply be 24,000. So and since it is rupees, 24,000 rupees is the amount that Ram invested. So we have found out how much Ram has invested. Let's see how much Deepak has invested. Now amount Deepak invested is 2/5 of 40,000. Okay, now we need to find out how much that is. 2/5 of 40,000. So let's calculate again. So 2/5 of means into 40,000. So 40,000 we have. Now again, let's make this a fraction. Give it the denominator 1 and cancel 5 and 40,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40 and 3 zeros. So 5 into 8,000 is 40,000. Now let's multiply the numerators. Numerators, when you multiply 8 into 2 first. 8 twos are 16 and then add the 3 zeros 1, 2, 3. So that's 16,000 and multiply the denominators 1. So 16,000 by 1 is 16,000. That is 16,000 rupees. So this is the amount that Deepak invested. So how much did Ram invest? Ram invested 24,000. Deepak invested 16,000, and together if you add up both, you'll get the amount 40,000. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.